Hi food lovers, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make Jamaican cornmeal pudding. First we are going to add 2 cups of cornmeal in a bowl, then add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, then we will add 2 cups of sugar. We want to sift the flour so it doesn't create lumps. Then we will add 1 tablespoonful of cinnamon powder, followed by 1 tablespoonful of nutmeg. We also add 1 tablespoonful of allspice and 1 tablespoonful of salt. Along with 1 tablespoon of powdered ginger. You can also use fresh ginger if you like. Then mix all the dry ingredients together. Then add half cup of melted butter, followed by 4 cups of coconut milk. Add it little by little and mix together. Check out my video on how to make organic coconut milk. Then add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of almond extract. Mix again to incorporate everything. Finally, add 1 cup of coconut rush and mix together. Prepare your baking tin for baking. You can use parchment paper, or as we always do, we butter the baking tin and add a thin layer of flour as shown in the video. Pour in your batter and bake for 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is how it's supposed to look after baking. After that, add the hallelujah on top and place back into the oven for an additional 5 minutes. We will add a video on how to make the hallelujah for puddings Jamaican style. You can have a slice of the cornmeal pudding with tea, lemonade, or anything you like. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure today. Remember to hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss a recipe from Taste of Jamaica. And as we say in Jamaica, one love.